Right now we're going to look at how to see if you have a sitemap for your website, and if you have a sitemap and you can locate it, how you can add that to your Google Search Console account. So what you need to do to check, the easiest way, the most efficient way to check to see if you have a sitemap for your website is to chuck your web domain, your URL or your website address in here and put a slash and then sitemap.xml. Now before we do that, I just want to let you know that this is not a surefire way of determining if you have a sitemap, but it is the most likely way of finding one. If you use this method and you do not find a sitemap, then it doesn't necessarily mean that you don't have one. It just means that it might be on a different URL, in which case you'll need to speak to your web developer, your IT team, or alternatively you can contact us here at Vision Digital and we can have a look at that for you. But you just need to again put your web address in here, and what we'll do is we'll do it with our address. So you go visiondigital.marketing/sitemap.xml and hit enter. And as you can see, we've got a page that loads up with some information here. So that shows us that we do have a sitemap. Now, if you don't have any information, it might produce a 404 error, it might produce just a page not found error, then again, that just indicates that it's not at that URL and it might be somewhere else, or you might not have a sitemap on your website and you will need to get that sorted out. So once you've found your sitemap, what you can do is add it to your Search Console account. So what we're going to do is we open up a new tab here and go to Search Console, which is search.google.com/search-console/about, and we will link that in the description below. Click on Start Now, and once you've loaded, then come down to Index and click on Sitemaps. You can see here that we've got a whole lot of sitemaps that have been entered in, but what we'll do is we'll just add our one, and you take the URL from here that's after your domain name, copy that and paste it in there, click Submit. So we've got it there. We've added that simply because we've already added the sitemap.xml across, and it says success. So that's all you need to do to add your sitemap to your Search Console, and that will help with your SEO efforts and the fact that you've just given Google an entire map of your website, all of the URLs on your website, all of the content on your website, so that it can now start to look at it and add it to its search database.